Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you what was in my BoxyCharm Base Box for February 2021. Obviously the topic of the month was the 14th of February, which is Saint Valentine's Day. So some of the items in the box were themed and you're gonna see it. So I'm subscribed to BoxyCharm Base Box and I'm really happy with it. I have enough of products so far. Probably I'm gonna switch to premium subscription or even maybe subscribe to Luxe box, but at the moment I'm really happy what I got inside my base boxes. So you receive 5 full-size products every month. I really like the brands that Boxy include in their boxes because the brands are trusty, most of them professional if they are indie brands. So they are very reliable and high quality. Also, I like that the products come in a cardboard box, which is recyclable and reusable. I usually store my makeup products in it or other trivia, or I also can send something to my relatives or friends using these boxes. So I like that packaging a lot. Also, I like the way the box looks, because it's quite low-key, but it's really tasteful and sophisticated to my taste. So it's really aesthetically pleasing to me. Also, every box includes a card that has the name of the topic of the month. So in February it was obviously XOXO, which means kiss kiss. And it has the information about the products from the box, which I personally find really convenient because I prefer to find everything easily and in one place. It's not a full information, it's a short summary, but it's enough to get an idea of what I got inside the box. And also it has the price, which is very convenient, so I don't need to Google it or anything. Okay, so let's see what I got inside my box. So this time I'm even more happy with the way my box was curated because it includes 1 makeup product and 4 skincare products. I personally prefer to receive more skincare than makeup because I run off it more often. And when I receive a full box of makeup, it really makes me excited, but I do understand that it's not practical because there is no way I'm gonna finish any of it anytime soon. So that's why I'm really happy when I receive a lot of skincare, especially when it's the products that I receive in this box. So it won't leave you indifferent, believe me. Okay, so let's start with the only makeup product that I received in it. So this is a face and eye palette from Wonder Beauty. So it's called Getaway and it includes 6 high pigmented eyeshadows and a highlighter and a blusher. So let me open it and show you what's inside. The palette itself looks really nice because it's cardboard, but it reminds of leather probably. It's textured and it's really nice to touch. And the color is very pretty. I like this dusty pink, I believe, or dusty rose. So it's just nice. I really like to just look at it. It has a magnet inside and quite a big mirror, which again, really convenient and it's just really convenient to use. And just look at these eyeshadows and blusher and highlighter. Aren't they gorgeous? So I haven't tried them yet, as you can see. So the palette is brand new, but I'm honestly really looking forward to try it out, and I will do because these are colors that I really like and I wear them all the time. And so as you can tell, the palette is really wearable. Oh my gosh, I don't know, I just can't ruin it. I just want to look at it all the time and enjoy these play of color and shimmer and everything. So yeah, it's great. I'm so happy that I received it, and also this was a product that I've chosen. I'm really happy with my choice. Yeah. Okay, another great product from my box is this hydrating setting mist from the Beauty Crop. In addition to hydrating my skin and setting makeup, it also contains this beautiful golden shimmer which highlights my skin and makes it lit from the inside. I haven't tried to set my makeup with it yet, but I don't know, I just like the way it looks and I really enjoy it. So let me try it right now maybe. So it's quite convenient to use. You just need to turn the lid to the side like that and just spray it all over your face. So let's see how it works. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells of coconut, so I believe it contains coconut water in it. And well, it's nice. It feels nice and refreshing, and I believe my face really shines. Oh, maybe not really, but shines a little bit. Okay, and it dries pretty fast. Yeah, I can tell that. And it doesn't make my skin tighter, which is nice. So it sets the makeup, but it's not drying. Well, that's what I can say. Another great skincare product that I received in my box is this Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. So you are supposed to apply it overnight and you're going to wake up with more hydrated and brightened and in general refreshed and plumper skin. Look at this jar. Doesn't it make you want to try it? I would buy this product only because it looks really cute. And look at the lid. By the way, it's not just cute, it's also really convenient to use because it has a spatula underneath the lid and it has a protective lid. And look at the formula. It's gel-like formula and it has some small particles that reminds of pieces of orange actually. And the mask, it smells of orange. It would feel probably really nice on the skin. So I've tried to apply it to my hand and then distribute it, so these particles, they disappear. So you may not worry that they leave on your face or something like that, or that they are going to leave stains on your pillow. So yeah, that's cute jar. I'm just looking forward to try it and see the result. I hope that the result is going to be as good as the packaging is. Now this one screams Valentine's Day like no other. This is a limited edition NCLA Cuticle Oil that has little hearts in it and a pink and I believe holographic or something shimmer. So they don't have any particular purpose, they are just really pretty and cute and make me feel happy really when I look at them. But they don't make the oil any less effective because, as far as I know, it's their bestseller oil and it's very nourishing and moisturizing. It makes your cuticles look their best in no time because it absorbs really easily and it doesn't leave greasy finish, so you can do your regular stuff just a few moments after the application. Alright, and last but not least is this Scallop Scrub from Frank Body. As you probably know, our scalp requires exfoliation as much as the rest of our body, so it's important to use shampoos that provides exfoliation to your skin on the head. And this product is aimed at removing buildup, dead skin cells and any dirt probably that can accumulate on your scalp. So in the long run, it's supposed to make your hair healthier and to grow faster. So this is not just a scrub, it's a caffeinated scalp scrub. It contains small particles of coffee. I already tried it on my hands. I haven't tried it on my head yet. And I actually like the way it looks, so I'm gonna show it right. So here is the packaging. It's a regular tube like with other shampoos. Oh, also they are not tested on... Okay, so also it's tested on babes and bunnies. Oh my god, I love this humor. Okay, so you're supposed to use it before washing your hair with a regular shampoo to exfoliate everything that's not supposed to be on your head, like the formula and and it smells nice and actually refreshing. And I've tried to scrub my hands with it because I just tried it on my hand to take some photos, and I was really happy with the result because I had some flaky skin on my hands, and this product helped me to remove it. Also, it doesn't dry at all. Instead, it's quite nourishing, I would say, even not moisturizing but nourishing, but it's not oily in no way. It leaves my skin very smooth, but it feels really delicate, so it won't damage your skin and it won't scratch it or anything. And I'm not allergic to a lot of products, so I can tell whether it's going to work for sensitive scalp, but for my skin it doesn't cause any kind of irritation or anything. Once I try it, I'm gonna share my opinion on my Instagram, so go check it out if you're interested. Okay, and that's all what was in my BoxyCharm for February. And well, to sum up, I'm really happy with all of the products that I received in this bag. Literally nothing that I would want to give away or anything. I will use every one of the products. Just hopped in to show you how beautifully my face glows after I have applied this Coco Gold Mist from the Beauty Crop. I like that it's not oily, it's not overly shiny. I think it's instead even a little bit mattifying, and it feels comfortable, and I feel that my skin is moisturized. So I would probably apply it to my hair as well. I believe I can do that, or maybe not. Okay, but I really want to make it as shiny and as glowing as my face is. So I'm gonna give this product 5 of 5 really. Thank you for joining me here today and watching my video. I would like to know what was in your BoxyCharm for February 2021 and whether you like your products. And leave your comments below what you think of my box, and subscribe to my channel, of course. See you in my next videos. Bye bye!